Welcome to Prometric Surpass. Prometric Surpass is the leading solution in integrated design for end-to-end testing. Thousands of test sponsor organizations around the world use it every day to develop and deliver a better testing environment. This demonstration will highlight the key features of Prometric Surpass and showcase how organizations use it to build and deliver best-in-class tests and assessments. Now, let's get started. Prometric Surpass contains powerful tools for item authoring, test creation, test administration, and reporting and analysis, delivering a wide range of benefits for test sponsor organizations and their test takers. And the first step in creating better testing environments starts with the content. Let's take a look at the item authoring and test creation functionalities. Item authoring is fast and intuitive using the Prometric Surpass platform. To begin writing items, go to the Item Authoring tab in Surpass. Surpass provides the item writer with several item types as well as the ability to create introduction, information, and finish pages. The author also has the ability to import existing items from within Surpass or from external sources. To the left of this page, you will see folders that can be used to group your items into subjects or content area. You'll also see the media library in the upper right-hand corner. This will be used to add media to items. Surpass supports audio, video, and graphical media. Towards the bottom of the page, there are buttons to import items from other subjects you have created or from external sources, such as QTI or CSV files. Once you have selected your item type and clicked Create New Item, you will be taken to the Item Creation screen. At the top of the screen, you can name your item and change its status: draft to review, reviewed, live, withdrawn, etc. You can also select the grade or scoring weight of that item and add comments. As you start writing your item, you will notice you have full Microsoft Word capability, including spell and grammar check. Within the item type creation template, the item author has several options to create more robust items. You can add source material, files that your candidate will need to view before they can answer the question. You can add media to your test item from virtually any source. In addition, you can create a media library. Every question type includes the option to add a static table to the questions. This is a table that the candidate cannot interact with in any way, but can be referenced in order to respond to the question. Item writers have the ability to add comments too. They are retained within the item and can be reviewed by authors and reviewers. Within the item responses, you also have the option to add labels to your answer options, allowing you to reference the tables if required. At any time, you can click the Preview button to view the item as it will display to the candidate during the test, and also be able to see the candidate's view of the item. WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get. Unique to the industry, the intuitive design and integrated item authoring test creation of Prometric Surpass simplifies content development and eliminates multiple authoring cycles, saving you time and expense when it comes to developing and maintaining your testing and assessment programs. Secondly, test creation and administration functions incorporate a single, automated publishing process that delivers consistent displays of exam content across multiple modalities: desktop, laptop, tablet, and mobile devices. For test takers, interfaces are intuitive and easy to navigate. Next, the system's integrated analytics engine provides sophisticated real-time analysis and reporting. For this part of the demonstration, we created a basic exam and collected responses from Prometric employees. In the Operational tab, you will find exam volumes by month. If you have a long-standing program, you could see the volumes over each year by selecting on the specific year. As with every screen I show you, you can export the data into a CSV file. The Analytical tab gives insight at the form and item level, as well as the raw data extract. The form detail includes pass rate, average time, average score, average attempts, as well as the Cronbach alpha. To the right, you will see the item difficulty breakdown and the discrimination indices breakdown. The item difficulty graphic shows the frequency distribution of items within predefined difficulty ranges. What you don't want to see would be large spikes to either the right or to the left, meaning that you've got a significant number of very difficult or very easy items. The discrimination indices also show a frequency distribution, but on predefined ranges of discrimination. What you look to see here are positive values. Negative values would indicate you have items that don't discriminate well, meaning you have items where individuals that did poorly on the test did well on the item, and vice versa. The test delivered link shows you how each candidate did on the test, as well as some additional details about the form. At the item level detail, you are essentially receiving an item analysis in near real time. You can select each individual item and view exposure, percentage of views without an attempt, the average time spent on the item in seconds, p-value or difficulty, point by serial, and the discrimination index. To the right, you will find a quintile analysis for each item showing how the item discriminates from top-performing to low-performing groups. The distractor analysis shows you how many candidates in one of 3 groups selected a specific option. View All opens the graphic in a new window. Here, you are looking to see if there are any distractors that no one is selecting. You would also be able to see a key error at this point. Here you will notice the raw data extract. This provides all available data on the item. So as a final note, it's important to understand that sample size is very important. While you may have near real-time access to the data, it doesn't necessarily mean that you need to take action. If you have less than 50 responses on a particular item, you should use caution in making decisions or taking action. While Surpass gives you access to the data, it does not eliminate the need for a psychometrician that can give you valuable insight as to what to do with your content. When you think about Prometric Surpass's integrated design for end-to-end testing, the benefits are many, including ease of use. The system's content creation and exam administration functions are intuitive and easy to navigate. Speed to market, resulting from efficient content creation and exam publishing processes. Control. As all content, exam administration, scoring, and analyses are within the system, your control over your content and test results is unparalleled. Accuracy. Content touchpoints are greatly reduced, eliminating opportunity for error. Accessible. Prometric Surpass is a web-based platform and supports all modes of testing: computer-based, internet-based, and paper-based. Consistency. Since the content resides and is delivered from Surpass, consistency is improved. We hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. It's just the tip of the iceberg on all the power and flexibility built into Prometric Surpass.